Hi guys! So today we're going to make a cheap, easy, awesome hot chocolate recipe just in time for the holidays. So let's just jump right into it. So first, I already added half a cup of sugar into the pot, and I do not have the heat on it yet. I turn it on after I get the liquid in. So then now we are putting in 1/4 of a cup of cocoa. And then you are going to need a dash of salt. Just eyeball it, kind of just throw it in. This is the salt I'm using. And you could probably leave it out if you really wanted to, but... And then after that, you were going to add 1/3 of a cup of hot water to that. And after I added that hot water in, that's when I turned the heat on. And then you're going to want to combine all of those, which is what we're doing here. And then you have to let that come to a boil. And then after that comes to a boil, you want to cook and stir for 2 minutes. So you just continuously stir it for 2 minutes, basically. I set a timer on mine instead of just kind of like eyeballing the time. So keep stirring that until that comes to a boil. And then I'm going to link this recipe down below for you guys so you have the actual directions to go off of instead of just listening to this. I think you guys are going to love this, and it's really easy to modify it too. So after that comes, or after you cook that for 2 minutes, you're going to add the milk in. You need 4 cups of milk total. I would add it in slowly at first and then just combine it. And then you are eventually going to need this vanilla extract, but not till the end. And that has to come to serving temperature. And that's my dog, of course. But you want to let it come to a serving temperature. Do not boil it. Don't boil it. Test it with your finger until you think it's good, like it's hot enough. And as you can see, I'm just kind of waiting, and my boyfriend's making fun of me because I'm just standing there in front of the camera. And then you're gonna add the vanilla. The recipe only calls for 3/4 of a teaspoon, but I put 2 teaspoons in, and you could add however more or however less you want. And then you have to continuously whisk that until it's frothy. And then after that, it's done. It was so quick for me to make, and it makes so much. It's supposed to make 5 cups worth. And most of this you probably already have at home, so it's honestly like the cheapest thing ever. And it's so much better than the microwave kind. And I got the marshmallow cream. But thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys try this. If you do, let me know, and let me know if you like it. Thanks.